All right. So I'm gonna edit this part out. I was gonna say Miami again, but it's gonna be in the middle of the video or the end. So this is the finished product. It all came out pretty good. This was regular mix concrete right here, and this was regular 30-day whatever concrete. That over there is 24-hour mix, which you'll see early in the video that it was a mess. This right here is the 24-hour mix. Just kind of panned down, yeah. So the customer came to me after we put this in, and then after we put that little corner in that had come out, and he asked why we didn't do this piece right here. And so my answer was, you just got an estimate for this. I'd originally given him a price for the whole front, and he wanted to fall within a certain budget, so he asked me to do this. Now this would have come out better, but this was with the 24-hour mix, and the concrete plant messed up the 24-hour mix by putting wet sand in, so that didn't come out really the way we wanted it to. But this is free, and these little patches are free, so if they want a 100% refund, we offer that too, on the extra work that they didn't pay for. So yeah, it came out pretty good. If you look at the dust or dirt around the perimeter concrete that isn't there, that's important to me and usually to my customers, that we don't make a mess and we clean up everything better than, it's cleaner when we leave than when we got here. So that's kind of what I expect. So here's a little walkthrough. We saw cut the joints. We cut them. These we cut the next morning. I tried to cut them the night of, but I ended up coming back the next day, and I got them cut around 7:30 in the morning. I like to get them before the sun hits it. So, this is 8-inch concrete. So the specs were this was 8 inches of concrete with 1/2-inch rebar, 18 inches on center, and we put dowels into the dirt in this case because we didn't have any concrete to tie into, so we just nailed it into the side. So if we come back and do the next section, they'll be ready for us to dig those out and then pour where it ties in. We won't have to drill and dowel in the concrete. But yeah, so over here, this was a 24-hour mix. And we removed the fence. We removed the fence for the 2 days it took us to remove and replace that, and they came through here, so we're gonna have to put the fence back and put a little concrete in there. That's that, I can't remember the name of that concrete. It's that expensive stuff from Home Depot.
Yeah.
So, whatever that is, it really works really good. So, but it's, I think it's $20 for 20 pounds, so it's pretty expensive compared to regular sack concrete or sack ready mix.
Sell ready mix.
Yep. All right, that's it. Thanks, John.
All right.